I think it is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. Elon Musk no kokthai ni mote. Normal ordinary borok bo extraordinary ingui mano. It is one of my favorite quote. But aro nung amtike wansukna niang nai je nung abono kubui no khainai. Then you have to choose to be extraordinary. 90% borok rok no sakni commitment no kepleng khaimania. Abo health related pan ungka career, relationship, whatever. Tanggi hinke borok rok mungsa ni bagi fano abo no excuse ready wo. Ebake moni sak no fano discipline khaimania. Abo ke ning salbrum no kisa ke fano positive samu no khaitong di. Haike sinung salsa automatically strong extraordinary ingthangna. Ta wansuk di nung je salbrum no extraordinary khaini nangnai hinne. You just try to be a little better. It's maybe 1%. Teruk ke japra a 1% compound ungnai. Apro sinung extraordinary mannai. Elon Musk ni through si ang fast thinking ni principle saimano. It is really incredible. According to this principle, problem ni bisingo haboi bono kaham ke bujioi nainani. Elon Musk jepro SpaceX ni bagai rockets namna ni wansukha. Approval rocket ni market price no khnawai shock money 40, 50, even $65 million kaisa rocket ni market price. Abo only why such usable. Abagui bo problem ni bisingo habai naikha. Tei bo wansugui naikha rocket ta morok baisa namja. Rocket ni joto parts tei raw materials rok ni individual cost besuk. Aproke bo saiman ka raw material ni full cost kaisa rocket ni market price ni only 2% sihinai. Bo problem ni bisingo habai nai a problem ni solution naitugui mankha. Problem ni bisingo habai solution naituk nani abo tabak kutal techniques ya. Problem solving a techniques abo sekang ni simpan khaijagi fayo. Sungbo saimano. But borok rok bini technique no si follow khayo. Problem na amtei ke no solve khayo. Jago bai khai femene haike. A techniques jesek backward fan angi tongthung. A techniques to jesek rang fia jora fan angi tongthung. They always choose experience over logic. But masha musu borok se new experiment no silence riwo. Aron bisingo masangka my favorite Elon Musk. Tabok SpaceX rocket ni 80% manufacture boshak nije no khayo. Plus boni rocket reusable bo. So now you know a techniques tabok bini chamongo bishik nangka norok no saiman kana. Abagi Elon Musk kebang mano shawo. Don't be afraid of new arenas. Kutal ideas no experiment khaina ni ta kiriti hinai. Abagi Dolrok norok guni ni lakmawo kutal ideas they new thought by samung no khai biskango kusuko agok thangnani ta kiridi. Hambai Dolrok no o video no paithak jora nai tongma bagai. Salbur no motivational video nai nani musugangke ani hostel no subscribe khairidi. Norok ni lakmano slaina bang sabrum no site ogui tongo. Abagi no support belai ke nango. O video nai tongma bagai nono belai ke hambai.